Introducing our high-performance 36 kilowatt electrical hot air blower. This standard unit is designed to meet a wide range of industrial heating applications with consistent and efficient performance. The 36 kilowatt model is highly demanded across industries for applications such as electrode drying, cold drying, and maintaining room temperature. It is also widely used for adhesive drying, automobile rubber parts drying, bentonite and mineral drying, and moisture removal in recycling processes. This unit is ideal for plastic recycling plants, metal scrap drying, paint shops, and powder coating booths where temperature control is critical. It delivers hot air efficiently, with temperatures reaching up to 100 degrees Celsius. Let's take a look at the technical specifications. This unit features a centrifugal blower system with an airflow capacity of 1500 CFM and a powerful 36 kilowatt heating capacity. It is mounted on a trolley, making it easy to move and position as needed. A reliable and efficient solution for all your industrial heating needs. Contact us today to learn more.